didn't expect it to be a beautiful weather here. February, it's usually rainy. But that's okay. We'll take it. Got scoot here. Inevitably, these people will stop and try to let me across. And I'm not doing it. I'll let them go because they have right of way. People need to understand that is the laws of bicycling and walking. You are a pedestrian. They have the right of way. You must stop. If you're a bicyclist riding this trail, you must stop at the stop signs. Welcome, Will Epic Adventurers. Guess where we're at? You're right, Gulf Shores. Listen, I hate to do voiceovers, but when I went back to this video, the audio was horrible because of the road to the right and the noise from the scooter, which I'm about to introduce you to. The brakes are very noisy, and I do attempt to hit the brakes several times because I'm passing people. So I just wanted to let you know that this was not normal. I don't like to do voiceovers, but I'm doing one. And just going to kind of take you along for a ride here in just a minute. Going to pull over and do a quick intro to one of our members of our fleet and introduce you to, you see right there, sorry, the white truck off there, that's a police officer. Yes, they do monitor that road. That's a 27-mile-an-hour speed limit road, max. They do monitor it. And I encourage people to really take your time on that road. And I'm only going about 9 or 10 miles an hour right now on the scooter. So it may look like I'm going a little faster, but I'm not. And I wanted to clarify that because some people tend to get upset thinking you're going too fast on the trails and so forth. 10 miles an hour is the limit. And I try my best not to go those speed, anything over those speeds, especially this one, because you really have some times where it's very narrow. And when people pass you, if you're not careful, you can either hit the guardrail or you can go over in the marsh. And yes, there's alligators over there. I haven't seen one personally in the marsh, but I know that there's stories of some being there because Alligator Island is just right here near this Lake Shelby. You're going to see Lake Shelby coming up here on my left in just a few minutes. I'm going to pull over there and I'm going to do a quick video and show you a little bit about this member of our fleet. As you know, it's called Wheel Epic Adventures for a reason because we like things with wheels on them. And right there's Lake Shelby. You're getting a nice peek at it. This is a February day. Normally it's rainy in February, but we've got some beautiful weather here. So this is my reason to get out, show you the scooter. I'm taking my route to the beach. It's a different route. I try to mix it up every now and again. So if you've looked at any of the videos on our channel, you've probably seen this route. You've probably seen the other route. And there's tons of videos out there on the park. This is the visitor center. I'm coming up on the visitor center just before. Actually, I'm pulling over right now. So I'm going to pull over. I'm going to do this video. And then if you want to see anything else about the trails, go check out our channel. And by the way, the scooter does not go very good in the sand. I found out right here. That's why you need those fat tire bikes. So stick around, look at the video, and anything you need question-wise, please look in the description because I'm going to link it. And no, this is not a paid nor sponsored video. Thank you. All right, let's introduce you to Scoot Scoot. That's what we call her. I'll put the brand and everything down in the description. Nice little scooter. Gets us from point A to point B. Not very good in the sand. The basket there has a door on it. And they market it for your pet. Our pet is too big and too claustrophobic to do it. Tried it once, wasn't very good at it. You got a good basket on the back, which is good. Tires, front and rear brakes, and the shocks. Shocks help you ride a little smoother, and they are definitely worth it. Can't remember the price on this one. The seat, stock seat, it does raise and lower. It's got your foot pegs, and you got the headlight right here.
you also have a bell. It is throttle. Twist throttle here, right here. I'm not going to twist it because it's parked. And you have 3 modes to which you can go. I'm going to try to zoom in on it. This right here shows you the modes. When you hit the mode button, it takes you to mode 1, 2, and 3. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Each one gets you to the different speed levels. Got 4 miles on it so far today. Overall, we got about 60 miles on it total. You do come with the bag. It's a nice hard shell bag. Got a lock with it as well. And you got a thumb bell. All in all, it's a very good economical way of getting around places. Like I said earlier in another video, we've used this to get around the campgrounds. We use it to go do our laundry, run to the bathhouses, do little errands back and forth in a campground, such as, to the office, that kind of thing. And some people could use it to go scope out a site if you're, say boondocking and you want to go check out a site before you get hooked up. So I am coming at you live here right now at Lake Shelby in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Beautiful blue waters on a 69-degree day in February. So let's give this scooter 5 wheels, because it's definitely been worth it. Everything else will be in the description for you guys if you want you one. Alright, handlebar, hopefully recording. And the one up on my shoulder, body cam. Will soon be recording. And let's hope we get some different footage this time. Hope we get good footage. Just finished walking on the beach and doing some shelling. I'm going to take a different route back to the RV. And I'm on the scoot again. Same road area. Messed up the footage. This thing does not go in the sand. It's a good thing it's lightweight enough for me to push it. And they're stopping, so I'm going to go while I have the opportunity. These crosswalks are not timed right. Alright. So here we go. Completely oblivious. It's alright. I can see them there. I can see them. Alrighty. Well, hopefully we'll get this footage here and go a different direction. It's actually going to take me right past the entrance to the Gulf State Park campground. On your left. I did check the tires, they're good. Nice and firm. Path to the left there takes you out. Another scenic path. Across the road here on the right, goes into the campground. I'm going straight.